Hi there, Dr. Wolfe here. Once again, this tutorial picks up from where we left off in the last tutorial around working with sets. At the end of the last tutorial, I left you challenged, wondering how we could sort our set. So when we ran this, we saw that our elements of our data was not sorted in numeric order. We had some varying different outcomes in terms of where the print statement printed this out, but there was no consistency of order. So how do you sort a set in Python? The way you do it, we can do is print and use the sorted command, put our set name there, and we can run this now, and you'll see that we are sorted from lowest to highest. We can also go from highest to lowest. We can use reverse as well. And if we do reverse and do true, you'll see the outcome of this go from highest to lowest. So if we have a set and we want it to be sorted in alphabetical numeric order, the sort command allows us to do that, and you can make use of that, and I hope it's helpful. Thank you.